Today we're going to be cooking pochero, and these are the ingredients.
2 kilos of pork meat, 1/4 of carrots, 1/2 of sweet corn, 750 ml of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 of sab-a banana, 2 to 3 cloves of onions, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, 100 grams of spring onions, and 500 grams of pechay.
Let's start cooking. First, we have to put the meat in the water. Turn the heat on. We will wait until the water is boiling so we can put the ingredients on. After 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to check if the water is boiling. As you see, there are bubbles. I'm going to take them out. If there isn't any more bubbles, I'm going to cover it. Simmer it for 3 to 5 minutes to put the onions and salt to taste. Then I'm going to put the onions. For another 3 to 5 minutes to put the banana or the carrots in. And now I'm going to put the bananas. And now I'm going to put the corn. And now I'm going to put the carrots. After 5 to 10 minutes, it's time to put the tomato sauce. Wow, it's soft, but it's not too soft. So let's wait another 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of checking the tenderness of the meat, now I'm going to put the spring onions and the pechay.